Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share that I do either on my channel or Mrs. Gigi's channel. Mrs. Gigi is on Wednesday at 10 a.m. with Friends Day on a Wednesday. And mine on my channel, it's on Thursdays with Scrappy Thursdays with Friends. What we do is we play a prompt game. And whatever prompts come out, we got to put on paper. Okay. So with the prompts that we did for that on the 9th of March, we usually play 1 to 2 rounds. It depends. So let's get into this so y'all can see what I made on March 9th over on Mrs. Gigi's channel with 2 rounds of prompts. Round 1 was Q-tip, magazine cutout, or magazine page cutout, paper, solid color, micron pen, or any type of pen, scrapbook paper, brown, the color brown, music paper. Round 2 was use fingers to paint, calendar, scribble, the color orange, handprint, ink in your favorite color, and border. And here is how mine came out. Okay, hot mess on one side, nice sunshine on the other. Okay, so I want to say this in closing. Please be kind, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, be positive, be kind, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And if you haven't done so, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, I go live, or I do a premiere. Again, thank you all for watching, and bye-bye for now.